Have you been searching for the perfect sedan with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2019 Honda Civic LX in Cosmic Blue. With HID headlamps, electronic stability control, 16-inch steel wheels, brake assist, front bucket seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 24,000 miles on the odometer, 5-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, split folding rear seats, 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number P6273.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.